Hey guys, today we're going to put together this Arkon mount. It's a clamp mount. It holds your phone. It can hold a heavy camera or a tablet. We're going to put it together on camera and I'm going to show you just how easy it is. So let's get started.
Alright guys, this is what the box looks like. It just shows you all the different attachments. So we're going to go ahead and open up this box. It's almost already fully assembled and these are attachments that it comes with along with some instructions. This step is if you need to extend the clamp opening, perhaps if you have a really thick area that you want to attach this to, then this step is for you. Otherwise, you can go ahead and skip ahead. Okay, so basically if you do need this part extended, just go ahead and follow the directions. It's number 2 on the direction sheet. You're just going to install the extension bracket and this just makes the opening wider so you can clamp it onto a wider area. And here's what it looks like with the extension installed. Moving on to step 3, this is where you're going to adjust the vertical base pole height. So you just undo this lever, lift it up to the desired height, put the lever back, and that's going to lock it into place. Now we're going to adjust the upper arm angle. Just rotate this knob, put it at the desired angle, rotate the knob back, and it'll lock it into place. Now to adjust the upper arm length, all you do is move this lever, pull out to the desired length, and then you'll put the lever back and that locks it into place. Now it's time to put together the tablet holder. So that comes with 2 attachments here. You're going to use the bigger side, just screw it into this attachment at the very end. And then we're going to go ahead and build the bracket that holds your tablet. We're going to add the adapter plate and then screw in the 4 screws that it comes with. I like to do it by hand first and then go back and tighten it up with a mini Phillips head screwdriver. This comes with different sizes of feet to hold different sizes of tablets. Simply slide them in and then you can add rubber stoppers to keep them in place. Add the ring to the end of the unit and then you can attach the tablet holder and secure it in place. To install the phone holder instead, you're going to take off that larger adapter, put on that smaller adapter, add the ring first, and then add the phone holder and secure that in place. Adding the clamp to your countertop is super easy. Just turn the knob at the bottom of the clamp to adjust it to the desired thickness and then go ahead and tighten it up. To adjust this end here, you're just going to want to rotate the lever counterclockwise and then you can put it into any angle that you'd like. You guys, check out how adjustable this mount is. It can rotate 360 degrees, so it's sure to capture every angle of all of your videos.
This is my new favorite mount ever for doing videos, and I know you're gonna love it too. So be sure to use my coupon code LHCakery at arkon.com and it'll save you 20% on any mount.